Isa pong gabing puno ng pag-ibig ang aming pagbati sa inyong lahat na narito ngayon upang magbigay pugay at magpasalamat sa isang taong malapit sa ating mga puso, ang nag-iisang master showman, Mr. Herman Kuya Germs Moreno.
Si Kuya Germs po ay mahilig sa mga reunion at selebrasyon. Alam nating lahat yan. At sigurado akong nakangiti siyang pinagbamastan ang bawat isa sa atin na nagtitipon-tipon ngayon. Ito man ang huling gabing makakasama po natin si Kuya Germs, ngunit habang buhay po na mananatili sa ating puso't isipan ang mga kontribusyon, walang sawang pagtulong at pagmamahal ng kanyang ibinigay po para sa industriya.
At ipadarama natin kay Kuya Germs kung gaano natin siya kamahal sa pamamagitan ng mga awitin, mga mensahe ng pag-ibig mula sa mga taong nagmamahal sa Kanya. At ang gabi ito ay alay natin sa taong nagsilbing kuya ng lahat. Tatay-tatayan ng kanyang mga alaga, guro, gabay at inspirasyon ng mga kabataang nais, mag-artista. Siya ang tunay na huwaran ng isang kapusong totoo. Kuya Germs, kailanman hindi ka nag-iisa, dahil ikay nasa puso naming lahat.
Simulan po natin ang pagtitipong ito ng isang awiting tumatak sa Master Showman na bibigyang buhay ng isa sa mga taong malapit sa puso ni Kuya Germs. Narito po si Mr. Gary Valenciano.
Isn't it rich? Are we a pair? Me here at last on the ground, you in midair. But where are the clowns? Send in the clouds. Well, maybe next
That was a very fitting song para sa ating minamahal na Master Showman. Alam mo ba, Ding Dong, yan ang unang pelikulang pinagbidahan ni Tito Germs, yung Payaso. Kaya bagay na bagay sa kanya yung song na yan na Send in
Hanggang
the
ngayon
Clouds.
naaalala pa rin natin yung picture of him, di ba? Doon sa kanyang costume at makeup na yun.
Yes. Thank you, Gary, for singing his favorite song. Maraming salamat. Alam niyo po, si Kuya Germs ay napakahilig pong magkwento niyan. And tonight, we will find comfort in the stories that others will share about him.
That's right. At unang magbabahagi ng kanyang mensahe para sa ating minamahal na Kuya Germs at para sa ating lahat dito ay ang Chairman at CEO ng GMA na si Atty. Felipe L. Gozon.
As I was preparing for what I would say tonight, I had this thought na kung lahat ng tao ay tulad ni Kuya Germs na may palabra de honor, may pagpapahalaga sa pinagmulan, at hindi nagpapadala sa panandaliang silaw ng kasikatan. Siguro, ibang-iba ang mundo ng show business. Wala itong mga intriga, iringan, at rivalries. Dahil kay Kuya Germs ko nakita ang isang sinserong pagtulong sa lahat ng mga kapatid sa industriya. Wala sa kanya ang mga network wars at turf wars. Ikaw ay isang tunay na huwarang kapuso. Paalam na, at sa iyong pagtulog, baunin mo ang aming pagmamahal at paghanga. You have earned a well-deserved rest.
Maraming salamat po, Attorney Gozon. Here to pay tribute to Kuya Germs is another man who has been a friend of Kuya Germs since the early days of the network.
Oo,
Dong.
nabanggit ni Attorney Gozon kanina sa speech niya. Isa sa mga taong talagang pinakamatagal na nakakakilala talaga kay Kuya Germs. On behalf of the Duavit family, we would like to call on the former representative of the 1st District of Rizal, Congressman Gilberto Duavit Sr.
Pare, kamusta? Buti nakakatawa ka pa, no? Magandang gabi po ba sa inyong lahat? Sa amin sa probinsya, pag binati kayo ng magandang gabi, sasagot din kayo ng magandang gabi. Ulitin natin, magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Thank you. Sa pare, takot na takot kayo sa akin. Mahalin niyo ang katandaan. Tama ang sabi ni Atty. Gozon, una siya nakilala ni Kuya. Palagay ko po, nagkamali ka ng arithmetic, pare. Tumingin ka doon sa kanyang billboard. Born 1933. Huwag niyong pagsasabi. Ako, born 1934. He's 82 and I'm 81. How do you say goodbye to a friend of almost 50 years? Matagal din ako dito sa GMA, pero we were more co-workers than employees and bosses. Pagka nagkausap kami niyan, mas matagal pa sa biyahe, buhat dito hanggang Hawaii. Pinatitigil niya ako manigarilyo, sabi ko, hindi. It's better to stop drinking than stopping cigarettes. Ayaw maniwala. Ayaw niyang maniwala. He got sick because I think he never stopped drinking. So how can I say farewell to a guy like Kuya Germs? He's not just Kuya. He is nanay. He is tatay to all of those young people that he developed. Pahihiram niyo ba, pagtitiwalan niyo ba anak niyong bata, dalaga o lalaki sa isang tao kung wala kayong tiwala dyan? Dito. Eh, yung luma mong kotse, hindi mo pahihiram eh. Anak pa ang iyong palalayan sa ibang tao. No. He's different. Sa kanya, hindi as document is nothing. It's what he sees in you, what he feels of you, and whatever he can do for you. That's Kuya. Hindi naman akong CEO eh. Pwede naman siguro mas maikli ako, no? He is in everybody's heart and mind. Tinitignan ko lang, minomonitor ko yung mga dumadalaw sa kanya eh. Ang pinakamarami doon ay yung mga highest taxpayers dito sa ating mundo. Eh. Totoo hindi? Ay ako pumapalakpak. Inalagaan ni Kuya yan. They are not celebrities. They are not just actors, singers, etc. They are probably the best citizens this country ever had. Bakpakan nyo si Kuya ang katubulong niya. Marami pa akong pwedeng ikwento sa inyo na pinag-usapan namin. Kaya lang po, secret. Ay, hindi na po ako magsasalita, magtatapos na ako, baka madulas pa ako, baka masira pa ako. Thank you and good night.
Maraming salamat, Congressman Duavit. Nandito rin para magbigay ng kanyang mensahe on behalf of the Jimenez family is a member of the Board of Trustees of GMA Network, Mr. Joel Jimenez.
It has been the pleasure and privilege of my father, whom most of you know as MRJ, to have Kuya Germs as our network's iconic talent during his term as President and CEO from 1974 to year 2000. During MRJ's term, Kuya Germs was the perfect host of roughly a dozen TV shows, TV programs between 78 to 1999. So at this point, I just would like to call Mr. Hill Balaguer just to say hi. Tito Hill, could you just stand up? Mr. Balaguer was one of the guys who really saw the potential of Kuya Germs as a master showman. Mr. Hill, Tito Hill produced a number of shows with Kuya Germs in GMA during the late 70s to early 80s. But just to show you some of the shows that Kuya Germs was in, it was Germicide, Germ Special, GMA Super Show, Daigdig ng mga artista sa telebisyon, Good Morning Showbiz, That's Entertainment, Saturday Entertainment, Lira, Walang Tulugan, Master Showman, and Best Friends, which aired in 1999. But while Kuya Germs brought cheers and smiles through these entertaining programs, he also brought skills and knowledge through airing of Negociete and Agresiete. During my father's tenure, Kuya Germs has been so closely linked with GMA that many people really thought that GMA stood for Herman Moreno and Associates. And I am sure Kuya Germs loved hearing that. But who was Kuya Germs and what did he stand for? 3 words pretty much characterize the man. He was a loyalist who loved and stayed with GMA really through thick and thin. I remember seeing Kuya Germs in the elevators or in the hallowed halls of the network, and he would say, kahit hindi pa nila ako binibigyan ng desk, wala akong kwarto, pero dito pa rin ako. So again, he's a loyalist. He's a star maker. Someone who saw the potential in young artists, in young talents, and what FLG has said, and Tito Bibit, and has helped them attain star status. And he is also a God-fearing man whose Christian faith was reflected in his attitude, action, and words. Kuya Germs, as far as we know, never talked ill of anybody. He valued the Christian principles of honesty, hard work, and forgiveness. There are those, and we know there are those who wronged him or have become ungrateful and forgetful of him. But Kuya Germs never wished them ill. He never used his advantage of being on air to say negative things about his detractors. The most he would do was to propose to his listeners and viewers the virtue of loyalty, gratitude, and humility. Though we are saddened by the passing of our dear Kuya Germs, we are happy at the thought that he is now entertaining all the angels in heaven. I am sure, as we gather here today, he has gathered all the angels in heaven and is making them sing, dance, laugh, and act. Thank you, Kuya Germs, for having shared your life with us. You were truly in the service of man for the glory of God. Thank you, and God bless.
As you all know, Walang Tulugan with the Master Showman has been an integral part of our program lineup for 20 years now, both locally and internationally. So you would all like to thank Kuya Germs for that. Biro mo 20 years ang Walang Tulugan, hindi ba? Here to speak on behalf of GMA Entertainment TV is our Senior Vice President, Ms. Lilibeth Gomez Razonable.
Kuya Germs ay isang institusyon. However, it was not his stature in the industry that makes him big in our eyes. It was how he humbled himself and considered himself just like any other worker in the entertainment industry. It was so easy to like him because of that. Mula nga sa janitor hanggang sa president at chairman of the board ng kumpanya, pareho lang ang tawag sa kanya, Kuya Germs. Ibang-iba ang mundo natin ngayon kaysa noong nagsimula si Kuya Germs sa showbiz. Narito kaming mga kapuso mo nang hinding-hindi makakalimot sa iyo.
At age 82, Kuya Germs left us. Pero sa 82 years na yun, 52 full years ay inalay niya sa daigdig ng entertainment. And for me, I think siya talaga ang matatawag at masasabi nating ultimate entertainer. Kaya nga siya ang master showman. Dahil una sa kanya ang kapakanan at ang kaligayahan at kasiyahan ng kanyang audience. Which also reflects how he is sa tunay na buhay. Dahil ganun din siya magmahal. At kaya tayo lahat nandito dahil gusto natin magbigay pugay, gusto natin isole kahit papaano yung pagmamahal na naiparamdam niya sa atin, na ibinigay niya sa atin. All of us who are here. At marami pa ho siguro ang wala rito. And saying thank you can just not be enough. It's just not enough.
Totoo yan, Dong. Sabi ko nga nakakalungkot na nagsasama-sama tayo ngayon. Pero, ayan, wala si Tito Germs. Pero, sa totoo lang, masayang-masaya siya. Kasi nandito tayong lahat. At ipinakita natin kung gaano natin siya kamahal. So, I feel naman at saka para sa akin yun ang napaka-importante para sa kanya. So, in line with this, we would like to ask Attorney Felipe Gozon, together with Congressman Gilberto Duavit Sr., Mr. Gilberto Duavit Jr., Mr. Joel Jimenez, and Ms. Lilibeth Gomez Razonable, to present our plaque of appreciation and recognition posthumously to Kuya Germs on behalf of GMA Network.
We'd also like to call on Kuya Germs' son, Federico Moreno, to receive the plaque on his behalf.
Lubos po ang aming pakikiramay sa lahat ng mahal sa buhay ni Kuya Germs.
Gusto po namin parating sa inyo that hindi po kayo nag-iisa and that his legacy will never be forgotten.